Happy Mother's Day. Hi guys, so this is gonna be a new vlog. Rye is actually getting lip injections in like 30 minutes, but we're kind of early, so we are just gonna walk around. Oh wait, and stuff. Grab your keys. Ow. I'm gonna do an outfit of the day because why not? So I'm wearing my hair natural, just like natural and curly, and then my shirt is from Urban Walmart jeans, and then I'm wearing my Vans Velcro, and yeah. I'm excited for her. How does it feel?
I don't know what. It feels so numb. I don't know what to put. Okay, so we're just gonna do a little bit of your bottom lip first, shape it, and then we'll go to your top, okay?
How does it feel?
It's okay. It isn't like I thought it was gonna be way worse than I like was expecting.
Yeah. There's numbing in here too, so it's gonna numb as we go, okay? So we're making your bottom lip a little off, and then we'll come back to your bottom stuff. Not a lot, but your lips are starting to get a little tight too.
Today I feel like you went in. No. I love them. Who am I?
Wait, look at me. Why was that so funny?
They're so nice. I have lips. Hey guys. Yeah, whatever you want. I like them.
This side's a little corner needs to come out a little bit more.
Just what I want on this side.
Do you want more like height? But then, so your bottom lip is pretty tight. So this is the max height
I like
that
this,
it'll get.
I like it.
So
I love them.
She gave us tulips. The lady there. Now we're gonna go eat, I think?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, punch
Left.
Who's gonna tell him?
How do you feel? Sexy.
10 out of 10 recommend getting lip filler with Nurse Val.
Yeah,
I do have bruising, but she did a good job. She did an amazing job. Like, what am I saying? I love my lips. I love them so much. I love them, guys.
see you when we're there.
Ouch.
We're here. I'm so hungry. We're going to Mendocino Farms, which I heard a lot of YouTubers really like, so I'm hoping it's good. I really want to get like the nacho fried or not so fried sandwich, I think. I'm praying it's good. I am so excited to eat this. Literally. Are you excited?
I don't know. I'm having an allergic reaction.
My mom texted me it's Mother's Day,
Okay.
but she's working, so that's why.
What'd she say?
She said thank you because I got her Starbucks.
Alright, I got 2 not so fried chickens.
Yeah.
One.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Skip that. Enjoy.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay, taste test. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the, what sauce was that? Honey mustard, I think. Your lips bleeding.
Are you serious? They didn't give us an option. Oh yeah, they did.
Barbecue sauce, I think.
Which one's better?
They're both good. Probably this one. She can barely eat.
It's good though.
We're gonna go to Sephora. There's a line. We just tried to get those Korean corn dogs, but they're closed. Sadly. But we're gonna give you a haul of everything we got today.
Hold on, Grace. First things first, I got lip injections.
Yep. 10 out of 10. From
Julie
Forever.
got that shirt.
I just got this shirt.
It's really cute. I tried it on. But she wouldn't let me get it.
What?
She would not let me copy her.
Whatever. It's just this black shirt and it has like outlines of like, I don't know, bra.
And I got this one. It's a cute little moment.
I like it. It's orange. Cute.
It's just a cute little shirt. I went to Morphe. I already opened it. I just wanted to swatch it. It's a lip liner.
You like it?
It's okay. And then I got a lip gloss. Madison Beer.
Oh.
Nice. Joey. Just a cute little I don't know how to pronounce.
Swarovski.
And then
Swarovski.
this little thing.
Yup.
Setting spray. Sorry, my brain.
Well, from PacSun I got one of these Brainy Melville like key things. I already have one, but I wanted this one.
And then I went to Sephora.
She did some damage today.
I know. I got the Dolce & Gabbana
Rose
perfume. It's so good. I love it. I live by it.
Oh,
I
Gap
swear
too.
by it. I got the Makeup Forever foundation because the one that I have is kind of like orange and oxidizes. And then I got the Pore Minimizing by Rare Beauty. And then I'm kind of wearing a little bit of it, the Rare Beauty blush. And then I got just like a little lip gloss chapstick. Don't know.
Mint.
That's it.
Oh, Gap.
And then I went to Gap and I got some jeans. Get these jeans, you guys need them.
Cute, like 10 out of 10.
Straight, sky high, low stretch. They're just like cute jeans. They're kind of expensive, but they were 30% off, so go get them.
And then after this, we're gonna go to our friend's house, Yaelin.
We're gonna ride a bull.
Yup. Yes, my hand. See ya. I'll talk to you guys when we're back home because we're gonna go home right now. It is the next day and it is a Monday. I have my COVID vaccine, my last dose today at 9:25, and it is almost 9. But yeah, yesterday I just basically came home and I did some stretching, some meditation, and that's pretty much about it. I didn't end up going to my friend's house, just things didn't work out, I guess. Yeah, so today I work at 11 till I don't know when, but I think I'm gonna go to the pool with the kids, so I'm wearing a swimsuit and some shorts. So I know it kind of looks kind of weird. I don't know why these shorts look like that, but these shorts or jeans, and then I cut them. I thrifted them. And then also this is thrifted. If you guys saw my other vlog, you guys would have saw that I thrifted this. And then I have this like pink little bikini under it. I have to go before I am late to my appointment, but I'll talk to you guys afterwards. I want to get a bagel this time because last time I couldn't because I didn't have cash on me, but this time I have enough cash. I got my second shot. It was super quick, super easy, and now I'm fully vaccinated, which I'm super excited about because I feel like it's just been like dreading on and whatever. But I'm gonna go get myself a bagel now. I think I'm gonna go to the beach too because I still have some time before I have to go to work, which is super annoying and super inconvenient, but it's okay. Also, before I do that, I'm gonna post my YouTube video, which you guys have already seen because it's the video before this one, but let me show you guys. So I'm going to make it public. Public. So if you haven't already seen this video, go watch it. It's my last vlog on my channel. I had the most successful like thrift finds ever, or thrift trip or whatever. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I just found so many cute things at Goodwill today, so I'm excited. So the first thing I found, I'm just gonna do a haul right now just because, and I'm just gonna say the prices, I guess. But I got this cute little knit like bucket hat. It's like purple and has pink. I found this other cream one, but it just looked different, so I didn't get it. But it's just cute and purple, and I love it. I don't want to put it on though, even though I did when I was there, but I don't want to put it on right now. And then I got this orange little baby tee. I really liked the color. I love orange right now. I love orange and like green. So yeah, just this cute little baby tee. I don't know if you could see the color on camera, but that. And then I got this orange, or this green baby tee. It's actually just like a regular like t-shirt, but I wanted to crop it so it's kind of like a baby tee because I love this green color right now. Like, I love it. And then I was in the swimsuit aisle. I've been seeing a bunch of shirts that look kind of like this. I don't even know how to describe it, but this fits me perfectly, and it's brand new, I think. Yeah, it's from the brand Sunset Separates. I'm gonna wear this actually as a top, not like a swimsuit top, just like a regular top. And then the last thing I got was just like, I love these like collared button-ups, like oversized, like over anything. So this one's just like a lime green with white stripes, you can tell. So yeah, that was pretty much all that I got at Goodwill. Yeah, my total was a little bit under $30. It was like $27, which isn't bad. Almost 11 right now. And I'm gonna go get myself some poke. This little place, this poke bar place, and I'm super excited because I'm super hungry. I didn't eat breakfast, and I also need to get Gatorade because I heard after you, like, your vaccine you should get like electrolytes up and stuff, or in your body. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm literally like delusional. I also need to post an Instagram photo that I wanted to post yesterday, but I didn't end up posting because it was Mother's Day. If you guys don't know, my mom was working, so that's why I didn't spend it with her. But her birthday is May 17th, so we're gonna do something as a family and combine both of those days and like celebrate it. It's not letting me. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my poke and I will talk to you guys afterwards. I think I'm just honestly gonna sit here and eat my poke and probably like watch YouTube videos and stuff, just because I don't want to drive anywhere else. So yeah, I got my food. I'm gonna try and redo this. Whew, it is so hot. Windows down. I also need to sanitize my hands, of course. Now I'm gonna eat my food and enjoy this. Ooh. Whoops. Oh no! I dropped it. First bite. First bite. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my poke and then I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Maybe when I'm at work. Maybe. Because I think we're gonna go to the pool. If not, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. We just went to the pool. It lasted about 10 minutes. McDonald's again?
No.
Do you guys want to be my vlog?
No.
I just got the most exciting package in the mail. And this is also the bikini, or what am I talking about? I don't know. This is the bucket hat that I got earlier. Super cute, love. But I got a super exciting thing in the mail. My camera will stay. My package from Réalisation Par. I got the Leo one for my sister. Cute, love it. And then I obviously had to get myself one, so I got the Virgo one because I'm a Virgo. If you're a Virgo too, please comment down below because I want to know if any of you guys are Virgos. I feel like I don't know a lot of Virgo people, so if you are Virgo, please comment down below because I want to know. And this is mine. I got mine in a small, then I got my sister's in a large. I mean, not a large, a medium. This is super cute. I love it. And then it also came with like tie-dye stuff. I don't think I'm gonna tie-dye, but so like the little box, like little tie-dye kit and stuff like that. But I don't think I'm gonna tie-dye my shirt just because I'm not into tie-dye. I mean, I like it. I'm literally wearing a tie-dye bathing suit, but I'm just like, I just want a white t-shirt, you know, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Now I am on the hunt for my Ray-Bans. I went to the pool earlier at work and I went to go grab my sunglasses, like from my little sunglasses thing in my car, and I didn't have my sunglasses in there, my Ray-Bans that I always have, so the hiccups. So I don't know where they went. I need to find it because those are like my favorite sunnies. Anyways, I'm gonna go and I'll talk to you guys later.